Hello, I have a question sent in by one of my viewers. The question says, will Picoin ever reach $1,100, $1,000, or even $10,000? And I'm going to do a critical analysis of that question. One of the most common questions among Pi network pioneers is whether Picoin can eventually reach $100, $1,000, or even $10,000 per coin. Why such prices are attractive to imagine. A serious analysis requires examining economics, token supply, utility, market capitalization, and historical cryptocurrency performance, rather than relying on hope or speculation. Now, let's understand the price question. Many pioneers focus on the future price of Picoin without first asking a more important question. What will the entire Pi network be worth at those prices? The value of a cryptocurrency is not determined solely by the price of one coin. It is determined by the combination of price and circulating supply. A coin worth $1 is not necessarily cheap, and a coin worth $10,000 is not necessarily expensive. What matters is the total valuation of the network. Could Pi coin reach $100? A price of $100 is not impossible. However, achieving such a valuation would require several conditions. Number one, strong global adoption. Number two, significant real-world utility. Number three, large-scale merchant acceptance. Number four, sustained user growth. Number five, demand exceeding selling pressure. A thriving ecosystem of applications. That is another condition. The major challenge is that millions of pioneers currently hold Pi, and many are expected to sell at various price levels. This creates continuous downward pressure on the market. For Pi to maintain a price of $100 per coin, there must be a sufficient demand from buyers willing to absorb this supply. The question is not whether pioneers want to reach $100. The question is whether enough investors and businesses will want to buy Pi at $100. Could Pi coin reach $1,000? A price of $1,000 becomes substantially more difficult. At this level, Pi network would likely need to become one of the most valuable digital assets in the world. This will require massive global adoption, strong network effects, widespread commercial usage, high transaction volume, strong investor confidence, long-term scarcity relative to demand. At present, Pi network has not yet demonstrated the level of utility or economic activity that will justify such a valuation. This does not mean $1,000 is impossible for Pi. It means that the pathway from today's situation to $1,000 remains uncertain and largely unproven. Could Pi coin reach $10,000? That is a tall dream. A price of $10,000 per Pi would require extraordinary circumstances. At such a level, Pi would likely need to become one of the most valuable financial networks in human history. Several critical questions arise. Number one, why would buyers pay $10,000 for one Pi? What utility would justify that value? What economic activity will support such a price? How will the market absorb billions of unlocked Pi coins? Historically, cryptocurrencies that reach extremely high valuations did so because they achieved substantial utility. Scarcity was also involved, then institutional adoption, or a combination of these factors. At present, there is insufficient evidence to conclude that Pi network is on a trajectory toward a $10,000 valuation. The supply problem is here. One of the biggest obstacles to extremely high prices is supply. Millions of pioneers have been mining Pi for years. As more Pi enters circulation, supply increases. Unless demand outgrows at an equal or faster rate. Increased supply generally places downward pressure on price. This is a basic economic principle that applies to cryptocurrencies, such as it applies to other assets. Many price predictions focus on demand while ignoring supply. A balanced analysis must consider both. Utility is more important than community size. Many pioneers point to Pi network's large user base as evidence that the coin will become extremely valuable. A large community is helpful. However, a large community alone does not create value. The critical question is, what can people actually do with Pi? Successful digital assets derive value from utility. Successful, meaningful utility demand may weaken once initial enthusiasm fades. The long-term success of Pi will depend less on the number of pioneers and more on the number of people and businesses actively using Pi for real economic purposes. The role of speculation. Cryptocurrency markets are often driven by speculation. In the short term, prices can rise far above what fundamentals justify. This means Pi could potentially experience sharp price increases during periods of strong market enthusiasm. However, speculation is not the same as sustainable value. The key question is whether any future price gains can be maintained over time. What does the evidence suggest? Based on current evidence, a future price of $100 cannot be ruled out, but it will require substantial growth in utility and demand. And at the same time, a future price of $1,000 would require Pi network to become one of the world's dominant digital asset ecosystems. A future price of $10,000 per Pi appears highly speculative and will require extraordinary economic justification. At present, there is insufficient evidence to confidently predict that Pi coin will reach any of these levels. In conclusion, the future price of Pi coin will not be determined by optimism, social media posts, or community enthusiasm. It will be determined by economics. It will be determined by the market. The critical factors are utility, adoption, demand, supply, market confidence, ecosystem growth. Investors and pioneers should focus less on price targets and more on whether Pi network is creating genuine economic value or not. If Pi develops significant utility and sustained demand, higher prices may become possible. If utility and demand fail to grow sufficiently, even a large community may not be enough to support extremely high valuations. The question is therefore not whether Pi can reach $100, $1,000, or $10,000. The more important question is whether Pi network can build an ecosystem that justifies such prices. One additional point that many Pi influencers avoid discussing is this. A large percentage of pioneers claim they will hold forever until Pi reaches very high prices. Historically, however, many investors begin selling once life-changing amounts of money become available. This creates selling pressure that can make extremely high price targets much harder to achieve than community sentiment alone would suggest. This is one of the most important realities to consider when evaluating whether Pi can reach $100, $1,000, or $10,000. So I believe that this video have helped you in some way. If that is the case, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share a link of this video with family and friends, and keep coming back to the channel for more, because a lot of things are still in store for you regarding Pi and other cryptocurrencies. Until I come away in the next one, peace out.